Welcome to Tech Tutorials YouTube channel, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to permanently delete a Google Spreadsheet from your drive. Now let's go straight to the point. So this is a Google Spreadsheet I want to delete. So there are a few ways I'm going to be showing you. One is just go to the link, open it, and go to File, and then just click here, Move to Trash, and then go to Home Screen. That's how it's going to be on your trash, but it's not deleted permanently. All you have to do is go to drive.google.com and then go to trash. On the trash you will see that same file, same spreadsheet. Now you need to delete forever. Right click and then put delete forever. Now this can't be undone. Now delete this folder, delete this file. This is how one way, and the another way I'm going to be showing you quickly. On my drive, let's say I have this untitled spreadsheet which I want to permanently delete. Without open it, what I do is I right click and then move to trash. Also you can see there's the three dots. You can also click there and move to trash, and there is another way I'm going to be showing you. Just select the ones that you want to delete, and then over here you see the delete option, delete icon that says move to trash. So you can use any of the three. I'm showing you all three because if it's useful for you in the future. So just click on that, delete, and then again go to trash on the left side. As you can see, you have to go to drive.google.com and then trash, and then same spreadsheet. You can actually do the same thing. You can right click, delete forever. You can see there's three dots. You can click delete forever, also select it, and also here you can see the icon delete forever. You can use any of those and then delete forever. That's how you delete a Google spreadsheet permanently from your drive. I make this video to save your time. Go straight to the point. My goal is to get 1,000 subscribers soon. Please subscribe to my channel and let me know what you think in the comment. Thanks for watching.